So this is my idea of a round pen built to last for decades. My wife said, yeah, I need a round pen. Okay, what do you need? Well, gotta train my horses. And I saw everything online, how to build a cheap round pen, how to build a fast round pen. Well, I'll be honest with you, I wanted to build one once and be done with it. I don't believe in doing things twice. So this whole thing is built with, these are, they're taller on this 12-foot gate. There's a 12-foot gate on the front so you can drive a tractor, whatever, inside of there. The sections, those posts are, those are 12 and a half. The short ones are 10 and a half. Used a 12-inch auger on the tractor to get down about 5 feet. Used the post hole digger to finish them. And poured a bag of concrete post cement in the bottom, set the post, and then filled back in around the post with class 5. These are 10 feet in between them. I should have gone 8. But that would have been more posts, and those things were brutal. I had some real issues with these 10-foot sections here being very wobbly. They would actually just shift back and forth. So the solution for that was to dig a hole, put a chunk of 2x8, and then cap it with a 2x4. And the reason I did that is it anchors it in the bottom. All of these are now screwed to it, and then this 2x4 on the top, laid at the other angle, doesn't have any give to it. So it completely fixed that problem. So I was able to do 10-foot spans, and I didn't want anything on the inside. I don't want anything at an angle. I like the kids to be able to just jump up and climb up on this thing like a ladder anywhere that they are. We put 2 solid walls, just as you can see the hole where the horses hang out. We put 2 solid walls just so that they had a place to stand and learn patience. These are all spaced. These could instantly be turned into solid walls. They're spaced so that I can do that to the entire thing. I have, I believe, 15 10-yard dump truck loads. Let's walk out the 4-foot door and we can take a look. There is 2 2x12s and then a 2x10. And when we started, the dirt was right to the middle of the second board. I wanted about 18 inches in there. That's what I got. It has settled. As you can see, I just used a big piece of telephone pole here to, like, the posts to keep the dirt in and be able to drive over with a four-wheeler. But it has settled. I can come in here with my drag on the four-wheeler. I should show you this drag. There's so many drags out there. Everybody makes all the different drags, but we're in Minnesota, so walk over to my four-wheeler and show you what I use to drag. I got a boat rack on my four-wheeler, a chunk of I-beam, and 3 snowmobile tracks. That thing plows up, fills holes, and just makes it beautiful at the end. Made a class 5 ramp just so that we can get in there. That obviously needs more dirt. This was all finished last fall and over the spring. Now it's settled. But 18 inches of sand was the way to go. Any less than that, and I think those horses back there would be to the base layer, which is 8 loads of class 5 with 15 loads of sand on top of it. Telephone poles, all green treated. It should never have to be built again. I don't see why you'd ever have to do this. Was it cheap? Absolutely not. I think there's $5,000 in lumber on this thing, and that was last year. This year, 2026, it might be 7. I have no idea how bad the lumber prices have spiked this summer, but it's 60 feet. There's a hell of a lot of fill in it. There's an entire summer into building it, but it should last forever.